Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Saqib Technical. Today I will discuss about the memory. What is memory according to psychology? So let's see the definition of memory. Information is received, stored and retrieved from the mind when it is needed. It is called memory. So function of memory. There are three main functions of memory. Number 1, encoding or record. Number 2, storage or retention. Number 3, retrieval. Function of memory is also the definition of memory. So next, encoding or record. So what is encoding or record? Information is being received in our mind is known as encoding or record. Storage or retention. So let's see definition. In this stage of memory process, information is stored in mind, or how many long time information is remains stored in our mind is known as storage or retention. So function 3, retrieval or recall. In this stage of memory, information is retrieved or take out from the storage as required. This is known as retrieval or recall. Example of memory. When we go any new place or new address, first we encode this address in mind, then store in mind, finally use when required. So this is the definition of memory. So next, types of storage of memory. There are three types of storage of memory. Number 1, sensory memory, short-term memory, long-term memory. Short-term STM stand for short-term memory. LTM stand for long-term memory. First of all, we discuss about the sensory memory. The capacity of sensory memory is unlimited. Sensory memory has two types. Iconic, visual information in mind is known as iconic. Duration of iconic, half second. Iconic, auditory information in mind is known as iconic. The duration of iconic, 3 to 4 seconds. So next, George Sperling. George Sperling carried out his research on the duration of sensory memory while still a graduate student at Harvard. Now at the University of California, Oregon, the continues to study perception, attention and cognition. So next, short-term memory. What is short-term memory? It is memory allow one to recall something from several seconds to as long as a few seconds without rehearsal is known as short-term memory. The capacity of short-term memory is 7 plus minus 9 chunks or limited. The duration of short-term memory 20 seconds. Now we will discuss chunking method. Example of short-term memory: 4 7 9 3 2 7 6 5 1. This code remember you for few seconds without rehearsal. So next, the magical number 7 plus or minus 2. This is the experiment of George Miller. So next, long-term memory. What is LTM? The storage in sensory memory and short-term memory generally has a strictly limited capacity, which means that information is available for a certain period of time. While in long-term memory, information is stored for a long period of time as you want with rehearsal or elaborative rehearsal. The capacity of long-term memory is unlimited duration as you want for a long time. Types of long-term memory: procedural, it includes skills. Number two, episodic, it includes less time remembering. For example, 10th class result and 8th class result. Number three, semantic. What is semantic? General knowledge, meanings, etc. is called semantic. General knowledge example: how many districts of Pakistan, etc. So next, types of retrieval. What is types of retrieval? Number one, recall. Telling something without stop is known as recall. Example, story. So type number two, recognition. Select for many options. For example, Pakistan made by 1940, 1947, 1945, 1949. Correct answer is 1947. So this is recognition retrieval. So next we will discuss about the forgetting. Forgetting is defined as thing which when we do not rehearsal for a long time we forget. Why we forgetting things? Forgetting is divide some categories. Number one, decay. Unseen thing for a long things lost from memory is known as decay. Number two, interference. There are two types of interference. Proactive interference, when we remember new material, it mixes with old material. This is known as proactive. Retroactive interference, when we remember old material, it mix with new material. This is known as retroactive. Next, why encoding fail? Sensory memory, NC, ABCD. Short-term memory, ABC, and long-term memory, A. In above, we can see that ABCD was available in sensory memory, then in short-term memory somewhat lost. Similarly, in the long term only one element remained. Therefore, we forget things soon. Rehearsal is compulsory for long-term memory storage. So next, tip and tongue phenomena. What is tip and tongue phenomena? When one word misses from the material, this phenomena is known as tip and tongue phenomena. So शुक्रिया, आज के लिए इतना ही. Thank you and please subscribe my channel Saqib Technical. Thank you.